In this video, you'll learn how to change the hyperlink color in Mailchimp. By following these steps, you will be able to customize the appearance of your links within your email campaigns, enhancing your design and branding. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL. Once the page loads, you will see the Mailchimp home screen. If you are not signed in, enter your credentials to access your account. After logging in, you will be directed to your Mailchimp dashboard. Next, locate the campaigns option on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on campaigns to view all your existing email campaigns. This action will take you to a list of campaigns that you have created or are currently working on. Select the campaign you wish to edit by clicking on its name, which will bring you to the campaign's overview page. After that, find the edit button for the selected campaign. This is usually located near the top right corner of the campaign overview page. Click on edit to proceed to the editing interface. You should now be in the campaign editor where you can make changes to your email content and design. Once in the editor, look for the edit design button, typically found in the upper section of the interface. Clicking this button will open the design editor, allowing you to modify various design elements of your email. You should see different sections of your email layout displayed for editing. Now, click on the text element that contains the hyperlink you want to change. This will highlight the text box, allowing you to make modifications. Ensure that the specific text you wish to be. Next, highlight the specific hyperlink text by clicking and dragging your cursor over it. This action will select the text you want to modify, making it ready for color changes. You should see the text highlighted, indicating that it is selected. After highlighting the text, locate the text color option within the toolbar. This is typically represented by an icon resembling a color palette or text color picker. Click on text color to open the color selection tool, which will allow you to choose a new color for your hyperlink. Now pick a color from the palette that appears. You will see various color options displayed. Click on the desired color to apply it to your hyperlink. The change should occur immediately, allowing you to see how the new color looks in your email design. Once you have selected the color, ensure that you save your changes. Look for the save button, usually found in the upper right corner of the editor. Click Save to confirm the changes made to your hyperlink color. After saving, you may wish to preview your email to see how the hyperlink appears before sending it out. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.